guys, I'm RC Muscle One here, and I have a very important question for you guys. So, as you know, I have a Traxxas Slash. There he is. He's my best friend. A little pain in the butt, but he's not competitive with like Team Associated, Low C's, TLRs at my local racetrack. I hate to say it, but I need a different truck. So post in the comments what you think I should get, and I hate to say it, but I need something different than that guy. So yeah, post down in the comments, and yeah, you'll see eventually what I get. Bye. Whoop.